subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Infinix has launched two new budget smartphones in India called Infinix Hot 11 and Hot 11s. Among these two, the Infinix Hot 11s is the higher variant with a stylish rear design panel. Talking about the specifications, the Infinix Hot 11s features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a large 20.5:9 aspect ratio. The screen is protected by NEG Denorex T2X1 glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G88 chipset, paired with Mali G52 MC2 GPU, and it packs with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 512GB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Infinix Hot 11s supports a triple camera setup on the rear and an elliptical module at the top left corner that includes a 50MP primary camera with f1.6 aperture plus 2MP secondary camera along with the AI-powered lens. For selfies, it has an 8MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture, and it also includes LED flash to take bright images in low light conditions. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 with XOS 7.6 skin on top, and it houses a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it comes with DTS surrounding sound system for better audio experience, and it also features Darlink Game Boost technology for better gaming experience. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.9 by 77 by 8.82mm, and it weighs around 205 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Infinix Hot 11s has been priced at 10,999 Indian rupees, and the smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in 7° purple, green wave, and polar black color options. So what do you guys think of this Infinix Hot 11s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.